How to see how much time you spend on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Battery. On this page, you can see battery health, usage by app, and manage low power mode. This screen helps you monitor your phone's power consumption. You can check your screen on and screen off time for the last 24 hours. Scroll down to view your battery usage by app and tap Show Activity to see the time spent on each one. Then, tap on Last 10 days to view your weekly average screen on time. Alternatively, go back to the Settings page and tap on Screen Time. Screen Time shows you the specific usage per day and also see your daily average usage at the top. To see a more detailed breakdown, tap on See All App and Website Activity under the bar chart. Here, you can view your daily average screen time and switch between weekly and daily views. Scroll down to check your total phone pickups and notifications. Following these steps, you can easily see how much time you spend on an iPhone.